Hi, welcome all of you. The most awaited GS.3B update. Just right now, government has been enabled option for reset of GS.3B for the month of July and August and also September. So here, just I'm going to show you the live show about how to reset or revise GS.3B. Look here, I'm just getting login by using my user ID and password to the JSTAR portal. Now here I'm simply selecting the month of August. In the month of August, actually I did a mistake. So now I'm just showing you how to correct the mistakes. Just opening, just open JSTAR3B. Look here. In fourth eligible for ITC, here I entered the wrong inputs. Here actually that should display only 19,850, but here it's showing minus 19,850 because of I entered the wrong inputs in reverse charge. So that's why to show it is not getting. So here I'm not able to avail that ITC. So just I'm going to show you. So this is my purchase record. In purchase record I entered the right inputs. The total liabilities is about 1,05,000. But in here it is showing a total 1,05,438, but it is not showing any claim ITC. Here it is showing 19,850 as a minus value. First of all, to reset the values, click on reset GSTR 3B. To activate the 3B, click on before clicking on reset. First of all, try to take a screenshot for better security for your knowledge. So first I'm just taking a screenshot, because whenever you are trying to modify the rates, you should know actually right what the before and what after rates. So that's why first of all I'm taking a screenshot before modification, and I'm just trying to save in my MS Word. Look, I just saved my GS.3B in my MS Word application. Look again, I'm just turning back to the GSTAR portal. Look, now just click on fourth one and click on reset. Yes, don't worry, reset actually now your GS.3B has been activated for reset. Click on OK and choose where you want to modify. I want to modify in number 4 about ITC. So here just come down here, look properly. Actually I supposed to mention in number 5 all other ITC. Actually I need to mention the values in all other ITC, but by mistakenly I entered in reverse charge rules. So now here, so look here, but that's what they're showing the value. Actually we need to enter, we should enter on fifth one, but I entered on reverse tax column. So now I just click on fifth column, all other ITC, and I don't have any IGST. By mistakenly, actually I am supposed to enter central tax in the fifth column, but I entered in the B2 column. So I'm just correcting the one. First open your all other ITC, enter the same value 19,850.65 paisa. Sorry, I did a mistake. 19,850, that is actually 19,850.65 paisa. Now just make it 0. Again 19,850.65 paisa. And after that just click on the down one and just make it zeros. I just erased it BITC reverse. Okay, then after that I enter all my modifications in fifth column, all other ITC. Now click on save, confirm. Now come up here, actually by default before the modification that is showing minus 19,850. Now it is showing only without any minus 19,850. Now it is showing here. Now click on save JS.3B and again click on refresh. Right, successfully your JS.3B has been resetted. To view is updated or not, you can view by going, just click on submit. Here I'm submitting to the portal. Look here, now it was open about payment of tax. Just open payment of tax. Now it's look here, it is showing only 65,738. Before it is 1,05,000 and change. Look here, you can look properly. Before it is showing minus 19,850. Now it is only 19,850 because of actually by mistakenly I entered in reverse tax columns. After that I just corrected in reset. So before you are going to file your return, first of all you need to offset the liability. Then only can click on if there is no liability to pay, just click on your authorized signature and file a return, or else you can offset before filing. We need to offset the liability. So here I'm just showing you how to adjust the credit. Look here, the before it is showing 15,538 is a liability. In the central I have some ITC also. So what are the values I modified right now, that here it is displaying here. Out of 90,850 I already adjusted 4,100 for central. The remaining 15,850 I am adjusting for IGST. Even same for central also, state also. Now here actually we supposed to pay 57,538, but I'm paying 15,751 again minus 15,715. That is equal to I supposed to add cash 26,030 rupees. I supposed to create a challan. So I'll do it later. For your purpose, I'm just creating this video. Successfully, I just modify my reset. And one more thing, I'm requesting you all. After modification, wait a second, just also. Look here. After modification, please, I'm requesting you, do not click on reset GST3B. Please, one of the major points to know. After modification, please, I'm requesting you, do not try to click on reset. Okay, if your credit liability is 0, then you can directly file a same. Please, I'm requesting you, do not after modification, do not try to click on reset GST3B. please. After credit adjustments, just after payment of tax, go to just file your return. For modification purpose only, we need to click on reset. After modification, we should not press reset of GST3B. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment me on my comment box. Thank you.